This is 9xChat, your AI workspace. No login, no subscription. Let's go. The homepage is clean and simple. Start chatting instantly. Switch models right from the top GPT, Claude, Gemini, all in one place. Changing your AI model, one click. Pick the model that fits your task. No switching apps, no extra cost. Head into settings anytime, customize everything, your model, your theme, your entire experience. Screenshot anything on your screen and chat with it instantly. Upload images and documents too. Your AI reads it all. Need privacy? Incognito Mode keeps your conversations completely private. Zero history, zero trace. Save your ideas in notes, add images directly, your workspace, your way. The library is your power hub. Build and save agents. Store your best prompts. Manage all your models in one place. In Settings General, controls your experience. Appearance lets you theme it your way. Set your default model. Use keyboard shortcuts to move fast. Export your data anytime. And track exactly how many tokens you've used. Check
for updates anytime right inside the app. 9xChat, one app, every model, full control. Download at 9xChat.com.